For later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern and central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Gilbert to near Sandwich, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Carpentersville, Barrington Hills, and East Dundee around 10:50 p.m. Waconda, Barrington, Island Lake, Inverness, Lake Barrington, Fox River Grove, Port Barrington, and Tower Lakes around 10:55 p.m. Aurora, Naperville, Palatine, Lake Zurich, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Hawthorne Woods, Kildare, Channel Lake, and Forest Lake around 11 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K West 039.